Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another house tour for you guys. It is in Jarabacoa, and funnily enough, is that a word? Funny enough, it is the house that I actually lived in when I was teaching at the private school that I taught at in Jarabacoa. So small world. I have been talking to another girl who moved out there to teach as well, and she lives in the second house that I lived in. It's not exactly the same. She lives downstairs. I lived upstairs, and they completely redid everything. It's so much nicer now. But take a look at this. Comment any questions that you have at all. I'd be happy to answer them. Make sure you're subscribed, and I will go through costs and everything while the tour is going on. Quick little baby tax for you all. Say hi. No? Okay.
Okay, so this is the outside of the house. It looks so much nicer. They painted it and redid everything, and it's on a pretty busy road. This leads right into the center of town. There's a nice glass patio that was all metal when I was there. They redid the driveway too. So this is walking in. They have a living room, and now all of this furniture came from the school. So it's good that it's furnished, but you kind of get whatever they have available. So it's a little seating area. They have a table, different furniture than what we had, but again, they're downstairs. We were upstairs. Here is the kitchen. They redid this as well. This is really typical of kind of what a kitchen would look like in many houses in the DR. Small stove. We had a small stove like that too, and a small refrigerator as well. Remember, you can't drink the water, so they will have a kind of water station too. Then they have a laundry room inside, which is nice. We were upstairs, so we had our laundry on the back kind of patio balcony area. Typical Dominican washer. It just has a spin dryer, so the clothes will be damp and you need to take them outside to hang them up. One full bedroom, and then they have a bathroom. So when we lived in this house and our first house, we paid about $40 a month for rent, and then we paid for electricity and internet. It wasn't too much every month. I would say internet was the most. Electricity was probably $20 US. But Emily told me that the teachers don't have to pay anything now, that the school covers the rent, which is definitely nice because you're not getting paid a lot at all. This is her bedroom, definitely a decent size. And she has her own bathroom and shower, which is nice as well. And yeah, this is definitely pretty accurate as to what a teacher house or normal house will look like there. And this is the outside. I think it looks a lot nicer. And then the road going into town, you can walk to the school. And this is what the house looks like when I lived there. I lived upstairs, so that's all.
That is the whole tour. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions, like I said, just comment them, especially if you're interested in teaching abroad. I'd be happy to answer them for you. But this is definitely what a teacher house pretty much looks like, although I think it's nicer than both of the ones that we lived in, just because it was redone. But accurate size and kind of mixed up furniture, that's pretty appropriate and what you would see, and pretty accurate for just a typical Dominican household as well. Jarabacoa is such a beautiful town. It's a really great place to live. It's nice that you can walk to the school. Yeah, I thought I would just kind of show you where I used to live, coincidentally enough. I thought that was so funny that she's in that house too. Thank you so much for watching. I have videos almost every week, and I do take requests, so please let me know if you have any suggestions or want me to do a tour of your place. I would love to do that too. Thank you, and I will see you guys soon.